Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a Stanley 700 corner vise. Hope you guys like it. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, let's get a good look at this thing. It's not in terrible shape at all. Hell, the original sticker's still on there. So, I don't think this thing was used too much. I've had this kicking around the shop about 2 years. So it's about time to get her cleaned up, and a little bit of improvements on it I think can be done. I think I'm going to stick with the same paint job though. I want to keep this gray and the red lettering, so we'll try and do that. Other than that, let's just do this. Oh, a little stiff. Oh, whew. That looks like just a slotted screwdriver to get these plates off. This is like a fiber board. I guess it would be designed for like a soft jaw, you know, so you don't damage whatever you're clamping. But I think I want to do something a little different. Okay. Alright, let me grab a pencil. On this one, I'm just going to write clamp side. So I know that this one stays on this side, and then this one I won't write anything. A little dusty and dirty in there, nothing major. Let's get this side off. SK screwdriver is a perfect size for this slotted screw. Yeah, that's actually in really good shape. So, woo, here we go, my nemesis. So there's a split ring right here. See if I can't zoom in a little bit closer. There's a split ring, and I always have a hell of a time trying to get these open. There's no ears on them. I wonder if I can bash it with a mallet. Well, let me come back to that. See if this will unscrew and pop the cap off of it. Probably not, because it's a Stanley. That's some pretty good quality. Yep, didn't think so. Alright, no biggie. We'll get in there with a rotary tool. There we go. Knew I'd get it. Take a little while. Oh yeah, there's still plenty of meat left on there. Cool. Alright, so that half's all done and cleaned up. Now, we gotta try and get the C-ring off that. Probably easier said than done. Yeah, right. Ouch. I never have any luck with these things. What can I use? Huh. So I gotta get up into these corners pretty good, so let me do that real quick. Nice. Ouch, that hurt. All right, let's give her a quick coat. Stanley, number 700. Throw this back in front of the heater, let it dry. All right, well, our paint's all dry. Clear coat is all dry on the inside, so we don't have to worry about rusting in there anymore. I did make some rubber plate jawls, like covers for the wood. I was going to attach them and just have like super soft jaws, but I want to kind of save this, and eventually what I'll do, I'll make a template from these and I will glue these soft jaws to it, and that way I can have removable jaws. So I think that's my best course of action. I don't want to ruin the originals. So yeah, what I'll do is just make a 1/4 inch Luan, soft little thin plywood, and then attach these to it. So I think that'll work. All right, so let's put this guy back together. And again, I'm happy that the original wood is still, well, particle board, whatever this stuff is still in really good shape. I think a pair of pliers should be sufficient. Alright, that ain't gonna come off there. Now we can put this back on. Nice. A little tighter. All right. This is a Stanley 700. Came out good. I'm quite happy with that. Corner vise. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The Stanley 700 little corner vise. We left it the original gray with the red embossment. Polished out the handles, Acme screw. Everything came out pretty nice. I'm quite happy with it. So, like always guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.